Hello everyone, it's Natalie from Total Pilates. Now, I have a question for you. Have you tried one of my Pilates workshops? If you haven't, now is your chance. I'm running a brand new free workshop which starts at 10:30 on the 7th of September. Now, this workshop is all about discovering your strong and supple body. So if you want more strength in your body, you want to feel more supple and feel more flexible, then this is the workshop for you. Now, below the video, there is a link that'll take you to tell you a little bit more about it, some more details there. And if you are interested in the workshop, just click on the link and register, and then I can send you all of those details, how to join in. And also, it's a 4-day workshop, and on day 4, I'm going to be hosting a one-off special masterclass. It's a bonus session that I'm going to be doing, and that's going to be live on Zoom. So if you want to join me for that, you will need to register so that you can get all of the details. So that's the Strong and Supple Pilates workshop that starts on Tuesday the 7th of September at 10:30 in the morning. So click the link below and read a little bit more about it. See you soon.